Have you heard of the Dead Man's Handle cocktail? Because I hadn't. Keep watching because today I'm going to make it on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, today I'm going to make a drink called the Dead Man's Handle. It was created by Tiffany Kirk at Miss Carousel in Houston. I love a great tequila cocktail, and when I read the ingredients I thought I need to try this. Now I haven't made this before, so I'm making it live today on the video. Now we're in the process of creating a new cocktail menu here at the 18th Amendment Bar, so I thought I need a tequila cocktail on the menu. Let's give it a try and see if it can inspire me to make something. And who knows, if I like it, I might even just put it on the menu itself. So the first thing that it calls for is 45 mils or ounce and a half of the tequila blanco. I'm using the tequila ocho. I love this tequila. Next up, 15 mils or half an ounce of Aperol. For the sweet element, 15 mils of Orgeat. I'm using Crawley's. Is it the best Orgeat in the world? Possibly. I'm pretty biased though, it's from Australia. And last but not least, to add a little bit of sourness, 15 mils of freshly squeezed lime juice. Add some ice to your cocktail shaker. Give it a good shake. Now this cocktail is strained over crushed ice, so you don't have to shake it for too long because you're already going to get that dilution with the crushed ice. This was served up in a wine glass. Oh, look at that colour. It's really good. And for the garnish, it calls for some chili flakes on top. I love chili in anything. That's it, the Dead Man's Handle. Time to give it a try. I'm going to give it a bit of a stir around just to incorporate all that flavour with the ice and to get that chili in there. Oh wow. The tequila is definitely the hero in this cocktail. It's slightly on the sweeter side, but in a good way. I really like it. That bitterness is coming through. The whole time I'm getting that tequila in the back though, which is fantastic. If I'm doing a tequila cocktail, I want to be able to try and taste the tequila. That Orgeat, well, that's a really bloody good cocktail. That's a great drink. I'd actually love to see what it tastes like straight up, not over crushed ice. Guys, please like, subscribe. If you've got a tequila cocktail that you want to share the recipe with, comment below. We'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.